I generated over 1000 videos of this exact same AI girl, and just from one image. Same face, same vibe, but different worlds. And no, she's not real. She's an AI character I built. One that could become your next brand face or digital influencer. Let's build yours. People connect with faces. Now imagine you could design that face. One that never cancels the shoot, never needs retouching, and always fits your brand aesthetic. AI characters already work with luxury brands and build huge audience. Today I will show you how to go from one image to complete digital identity. You can use across videos, ads and stories. To build a digital influencer, you need three things. A consistent identity, a style that refines your world, and you need to bring it alive. In Midjourney, start with a strong base portrait. To create a better portrait, I first asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt for Midjourney. That's your foundation, your AI's DNA. Now we'll move into OpenArt, where a character becomes truly consistent. Now let's go to OpenArt, character creation tool, and upload our character from Midjourney. I choose to start with only one image, but there are different options. I upload the picture of my character and give her name. I hit create character button. It says that it's going to take about 3 minutes to complete character creation. This links your base portrait to OpenArt's generation engine, preserving facial structure across every prompt. My character is ready and I hit the create button. Let's keep moving and create our character in different scenes. Go to prompt and reference and insert our first prompt. Here are some settings of the character. If we choose this weight, 0.8, the character must be very similar to our original image. If we choose to keep clothes the same, they'll stay the same as clothes in the original image. I choose new clothes and I describe them in the prompt. So I hit the create button. Here she is, identical face, completely new sense. Now we'll build a small universe around her. OpenArt keeps the face structure while the style changes. Let's get the prompt number 2 and the third option in the studio. Now we've got 3 images: urban future scene, natural morning scene, and studio editorial scene. Each image is a new chapter, a moment in your AI character's story. Now we'll bring her to life directly inside OpenArt. Let's go to Video tab and choose Image to Video Generation. Here I choose Sidence 1.0 model. Here I choose the image I want to use. Instead of leaving this field empty, I ask ChatGPT to create me a prompt for my original picture and hit create. She moves naturally, keeps her identity and feels very real. These 3 clips were built from only one image. No camera, no team, just AI. Once your character is ready, you can generate unlimited content. Different outfits, different moods, different voices. This is how brands and creators produce hundreds AI clips without shooting. It's not about automation, it's about consistency and story. We are entering a completely new era of creation, where anyone can build a character, a brand, even a digital life from one single image. It's not just about AI tools anymore, it's about world building. If you found this valuable, subscribe and stay close, because the next evolution is already starting.